Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Azri Taurus channel. Today I'm alone, Farid not here. He got something else to do. So, is that ever happened to you guys before? Feels like the ignition can't start, feels like the battery is weak and something wrong with your bike. Okay, usually this happen after the rain or rainy season, or after off-road or doing heavy off-roading. And then this thing happened. Okay guys, this is the one of the main cause. This is called the kill switch, ignition switch, starting switch, whatever they call it. Okay, this red button here, for those who own the CRF1000L, they will know these symptoms. Sometimes they feel like cannot start, hard starting, and it feels like the battery is going weak. So today I'm going to show you guys how to service this so-called ignition switch, kill switch, or starting switch. Okay guys, okay, let's roll the intro. Okay guys, this is the one what they call starting switch or the kill switch. Alright, this is the whole thing you have to take out. Okay, before taking out this switch, you guys have to take out the whole system, the whole brake system, right hand brake system you have to take out. Alright, and whoever, sorry to say, whoever like me having a handguard, also have to take out the handguard for easy access. Alright guys, alright. Okay guys, this is the one, the kill switch or the starting switch. Okay guys, the kill switch or the starting switch. Alright, as you can see, it's a bit dirty here and the contact is poor. So what we do now is we just take any contact cleaner, like for this, like this one. Okay, this one, any contact cleaner will do. Alright guys, can be the other brand, not only this brand, there's other brand also. Contact cleaner, as long as it's a contact cleaner. Alright, so what we do, we just maybe we clean up a bit here since we open it already, so we make sure there's no any debris inside here. So yeah, looks everything is okay. Okay, we take this contact cleaner. Great. Okay, that will do. Okay, let it dry first. Alright, take some cloth. It's okay to drop a bit at your fuel tank, it's fine. Just clean up the excess oil. Sorry guys, a bit shaky. I try to adjust it. So yeah, since it's outside, so be taken out already, so we clean it nicely. Yeah, okay, that's about it. All right, okay, let's see how it goes. Okay guys, let's see how it goes. Let's start the bike up. Okay, let's try. Yeah, one start guys, one start. Okay, let's try again. Woo, one start guys. Yeah, right, this is the one guys. Right, this is the one. Just clean inside contact, just clean up the contact all inside. Alright guys, okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay guys, let's check it out one more time to confirm the starting. Okay guys, here we go. This is the starter ignition switch. Oh, one time guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching and stay safe, ride safe, alright? See you down the road, right? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll be Taurus signing out guys. See ya.